Hello everyone, I hope you are feeling better. Cyprien Films as usual. Today I have a small announcement. Before jumping the video, I want to wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And I wish you in this new year 2023 to achieve all of your goals. I know you made some challenges in 2022, but this new year 2023, you have to make some changes. That is what I want to wish you. About me in 2022, I don't know how can I call it, because in the beginning of the year, I got some chance. Is the year I got many students at Cyprien Films online courses and also important friends. It seems that is the year comes better than I believe. Is the year achieve my year plan. Those happened in the middle and around of end of year. When we were planning to celebrate our achievement as a family, one of my family get serious sick. That's why I don't have the name of 2022. Okay guys, I am Cyprien Films. Let's jump right in today. That was my some comment about 2022. I know everyone has comment on that, but let me take this time to announcing you this. My people everywhere you are, I know you like my videos so much, even if are complicated to understand, because I usually to use my mother tongue in my videos. There are many people who advised me to change in English, but that time I was not comfortable in English. Even if I made those videos, in my mind, I wanted to meet many audience, but the language was barrier for me. Here on YouTube, I think it was good experience to me to know what I have to make to my audience. That's why I changed my mind. What do you think? You think I'm going to close my YouTube channel and I'm not going to change my content? Rather, I am going to change my language. From this video, I'm going to use English language. This will help me to reach everyone all over the world. I know it's going to be a big challenge to me, but I think is, don't judge me about my English, please. Judge me about my content. I think that was my small announcement to you guys. I hope that you are going to show me love in my videos. Me, what I want to promise you is to make good video. I hope you will love it. Please subscribe if you are new here. Don't forget to like and share. Is an important from you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon in the next video. Peace.